Today, we will do a little bit of different things. We will look at how to jump into ongoing and very fast rallies. Of course, we will still do a full top-down analysis for you. Do not worry. Our strategy is simple and practical. If you're ready, let's start now. Today, I want to talk about joining ongoing rallies. Today's and yesterday's top runner was the YOYO coin. It had this crazy run over 20-25% move in couple of days. Let's learn how we can join rallies. From the weekly look, we already know that just like most coins, the price is switching. Most imbalances fail and markets try to balance their old imbalances, a way of fixing the market itself. From the daily look, price was actually reacting to this imbalance. But in this reaction, what really happened? I want to talk about inside action here, because some imbalances are extremely powerful, causing crazy movements. Okay, let's see. The most important layout. Remember, I like bias, but I do not need bias of weekly or daily charts to trade. The most important thing for me is the momentum layout. I need momentum and power to trade anything. Within the daily imbalance, you can see the price switches in all time frames. 30-minute, 1, 2, and 4-hour time frames. And this gigantic rally starts. Then this YOYO coin becomes the top gainer coin to trade. However, how can we jump this ongoing rally here? How can we ride the fast waves? Let's talk about it. Now, I have dropped to the 5-minute chart, and we will observe this 25% move. We will look into the micro price switches, how many of them, and which ones worked or failed. We will observe everything here. After the price switch, the rally started with early signs. Then, let me draw every single price switch here, micro price switches, and let me observe them one by one. As you can see, there are more than 10 micro price switches here. So many of them. Let's talk about them one by one. The first micro switch happens quite fast and does not rally a lot. If I had taken this trade, I would probably break even here, because I would not be satisfied with the small upwards movement. The next two price switches are much better, as you can see. At least it gives you chances of nice movements upwards and secure some profits. With the next price switch, I would be break even again. The movement happens so quick and pulls back quickly. Very hard to manage this one. The next one would be a great win in my opinion, because you can notice the very large movement. Now, this is so important. I know myself, if I have taken this trade here, it will be definitely a loss, because price pulls back hard and it would be taking out my stop. What did I do wrong here? I still see people, they think they are doing something wrong when they stop out. Nothing you do is wrong, okay? It is impossible to do something wrong in trading. You just stopped out, accept it, and move on. Learn to accept the loss and wait for the next trade. That's it. Then the rest of the setup keeps going on like this. You see, trading is all about end-sum game. In here, if I traded all this, it will be like 5 win, 2 break even, 1 or 2 loss, 1 or 2 missing trades. You see, you have to wait for the end statistics for your trades. One loss does not mean anything at all. Okay, let's make a quick recap. I will not go about every single detail here. But the only way to jump to ongoing rally is waiting for micro price switches and grabbing quick shares from the market. Quickly in and out and wait for the next setup. I hope this video made the trading rallies clear. See you next time, friends. Please take care.